We got this from Amazon. Do you want to try it? Do you want to sit up here?
Okay. Yeah, but what do we do with it?
I'm going to show you.
Okay.
All right.
What do we do?
Okay, ready? You just pull this. Pull that. Go ahead.
With this?
Go fast. Oh, you gotta do it fast. You gotta go.
Whoa!
Let's do this. Let's see. Okay. So,
And you got all this confetti. Look. Whee! There's nothing in there. See? It's empty. Just got rubber bands in it.